And I had another 10-minute workout fitness challenge at home. So this is day 2.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
And I had another 10-minute workout fitness challenge at home. So this is day 2. See, day 1 was so good, it took about 10 years off my life. What do you mean by that? I got a haircut, shaved my face, got my fresh. So anyways, all right, we're gonna do 10-minute workout. This is body weight, so you can do these anywhere. So whether you're at home, whether you're traveling, wherever you're at, all right? So we're gonna stay with the same premise this whole week. We're gonna do 5 exercises. We're gonna do cumulative repetitions, so we're gonna work our way up. So let's start with 1 rep of everything. Go 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to whatever we get to within 10 minutes. And hopefully this time, the timer stops so that way I know when 10 minutes is up and I just keep going and going. All right, so if you haven't yet subscribed, smash that notification bell to be notified as all my new content gets dropped. And show brothers some love, man. Give some likes and share the content. Come on, this stuff's free. I'll put it out there for you to share. All right, so let's go. So 5 exercises. We're gonna start off with a dive bomber. Just diving down between your hands. Whoop, and up. All right, that's 1 rep. Side jackknife. Arms out. Some of these are easier just to do more than 1 anyways. Good. Single leg glute raise. 1. Step back lunge. Stepping back. And the last one is a Superman. So arms out, up and hold it, and then back down. All right. Guess what? 2. Side jack. 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2. Good. Single leg glute. 2. 1, 2. All right. Let's go Superman while we're down here.
Reimagined.
1, 2. Step back lunge. 2. All right, that bomber's 3.
Artlist.io.
2, 3. Focus. 1, 2, 3. To the glute. 1, 2, 3.
Artlist.io.
1, 2, 3. All right. Step back lunge. All right. 1, 2.
Music licensing reimagined.
3. Good. We're on 4. Dive bomber. 1, 2, 3. Glute. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Soccer jackknife. 3, 4, and 5. Correct. 1, 2, 3.
Artlist.io.
Glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright. Halfway. 1, 2,
Artlist.io.
4, and 5. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Music licensing reimagined.
Alright. Step back lunge. Nice. 6.
Artlist.io.
6.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right.
Music licensing reimagined.
1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, baby.
Artlist.io.
6. Nice. 7.
Artlist.io. 'Art Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Good thing I got the plan, Matt. 4, 5.
Music
Nice.
licensing reimagined.
Woo! So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that 10-minute workout. It's part of the fitness challenge that you can do at home, anywhere on the road. So it's 10 minutes. Right now, it's body weight. So enjoy it. And guess what? I'll see you guys in day 3.